Good evening, viewers. We welcome you to the news. I am Larihon Karamnod and here are the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds bilateral talks with leaders of US, South Korea, Saudi Arabia at G20 summit. Home Minister Amit Shah proposes extension of President's rule in Jammu and Kashmir. Today, Northeast Conclave 2019 on transforming Northeast India through science and technology, organized by Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, gets underway. An intersectoral convergence meeting on the theme Zero Malaria Starts With Me was held today. And now for the news in detail. The two-day G20 is underway at Osaka in Japan. Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe warmly welcomed the heads of member nations. The theme of the summit is Human-Centered Future Society. Several state heads, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, are taking part in the two-day summit. 19 countries, the European Union and several special invitees are participating at the Osaka summit, which will see discussions on global economy, trade and investment, innovation in digital economy and artificial intelligence, addressing inequalities, realizing an inclusive and sustainable world, and climate change, energy and environment in 4 different sessions. Modi also met President of South Korea, Moon Jae-in. Moon said that Korea, as a southern policy like India, has Act East policy, adding that these two can be synergized. Home Minister Amit Shah today moved a resolution in the Lok Sabha seeking further extension of President rule in Jammu and Kashmir for 6 months with effect from 3rd July 2019. Moving the resolution, Shah said the preparation to conduct assembly elections in the state by the end of this year is underway. He said the centre is committed to a democratically elected government in the state. The minister also listed out the initiatives of the central government regarding development programs in Jammu and Kashmir, saying that pending issues related to Jammu and Ladakh are being resolved. He said 15,000 bunkers are also being constructed in the state. Meghalaya Water Resources Minister Metbah Lyngdoh on Friday said that the Northeast is a natural resource sinks but still lags behind compared to the rest of the country in terms of social and economic development. He said this at the Northeast Conclave 2019, Transforming Northeast India Through Science and Technology, organized by Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, stating that the region comprises of 8% of the geographical area and 1/3 of country's water resource. Lyngdoh said that Northeast is a natural resource sink of the country and its endowment can contribute to nation's progress and accelerate the pace of development. Meanwhile, Director General Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, said that any socio-economic development of any society it wants to achieve, science and technology is one of the major drivers of that process. The conclave was attended by eminent professors, research scholars and academicians.
Yesterday, and couple of months back, as all of you know that 1/3 of countries' water resources, 1/3 of countries.
We need to keep our head and heart together in the right place so that our ecology becomes our springboard of economic transformation and leapfrogging in real progress. We all know that data-driven and external policy-driven directions of development would make us externally policy-driven directions of development.
Northeast is also one of the very hotspots, one of the well-known hotspots of biodiversity, and we must learn to conserve it. We should not mine resources excessively so that we lose that kind of biodiversity. But at the same time, we use the biodiversity for our own benefit, the benefit of humanity. So the balance is what actually we should arrive at. And it's perfectly possible to arrive at this particular balance through proper applications of science and technology.
Shri Chintipurni Mandir, Ma Durga, located in Gurudwara building, Harijan Colony at Garoline Lat Shillong, which was renovated and reconstructed by the member of the Mandir with a generous donation received from the devotees and well-wishers and idols of the temple brought from Jaipur, Rajasthan. The Pran Pratishtha Puja of the idols of Shri Chintipurni, Shri Ganesh and Maharishi Balmiki was held at the temple premises today. Meghalaya Governor Tathagata Roy was the chief guest on the occasion, who inaugurated the renovated, reconstructed mandir of Shri Chintipurni by unveiling the plaque in the presence of Dr. Ampareen Lingdo, local MLA, as the guest of honor, and Naba Bhattacharjee and J.L. Das, President and General Secretary, CPC, Meghalaya respectively. While speaking on the occasion, Governor of Meghalaya said that he has high regards for Guru Granth Sahib Ji, Guru Nanak and Guru Govind Sahib Ji. He also expressed his regards to the Sikh community and said that the Sikhs are the ones who protect our country.
हमारे देश के रक्षक है ये सिख धर्म के लोग और इसलिए मैं पहले आपको नमन करना चाहूंगा। ये भगवान चिंतपूर्णिमा, गुरु गणेश, गुरु वाल्मीकि जी, इन तीनों को जो प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हुई बाजू वाली मंदिर में, इसमें पे खड़ा होकर और आप लोग आमंत्रित किए हैं, इसलिए बहुत प्रसन्नता हुई।
मौका मिलता रास्ता ढूंढते हैं जहां हम एक दूसरे को समझ जाएगा। देखने चाहते हैं कि सबके घर अच्छा होगा और सबके घर अच्छा बनाएगा और आप लोग सब खुशी से रहेगा, शांति से रहेगा और शिलोंग सबसे बड़ा ये होगा, शिलोंग शांति हो जाएगा।
Meghalaya is recognized as one of the 8 states in the northeastern region of India with high malaria burden. An intersectoral convergence meeting for prevention and elimination of malaria and other vector-borne diseases in Meghalaya was held today at Shillong Club. Shillong on the theme Zero Malaria Starts With Me. R.V. Suchiang, Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, graced the occasion as the chief guest in the presence of Smiti Matsyodor War Nongri, Deputy Commissioner and Chairman District Health Society, East Khas Hills District, and officials from the Health Department as well as other line departments. The program was organized by the Office of the Deputy Director Health Services Malaria and the Directorate of Health Services MI, Government of Meghalaya. Speaking on the occasion, R.V. Suchiang, Additional Chief Secretary, stated that the control and prevention of malaria and other vector-borne diseases should not be left to the Health Department alone.
Every place for this type of mosquito to multiply. Have special preferences to human blood. We know that
reach that goal, that is total 30. Thank you.
The best thing would be to have an agency, something like a basic agency, where funding can be given by them. You don't have to have it from the budget, and then the different sectors, can be allocated funds for a particular, activity or initiative. I think this will only work if an agency like the Basin Agency is involved. Like I said, some of the activities which these different departments do contribute to the spread of the vector-borne diseases. So I think it makes sense for them to be involved in activities and initiatives which will bring about a control and prevention of malaria, especially since
Konjoy is a remote area under Ranikor Civil Subdivision which has limited access to road and communication as well as mobile network. Ranikor MLA Piyush Marwin donated an ambulance to the Konjoy Public Health Center PHC so that the PHC in Konjoy area will be functional. The ambulance will be used temporarily by the doctor of the PHC to move to and fro from Ranikor to Konjoy as well as transport of patient. While addressing the media person, Marwin said that there are lots to be done for the PHC like drinking water, electricity and others. He informed that he has taken up the issue with the officials of PHE and other departments for the overall requirement of the PHC for the benefit of the people. Before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds bilateral talks with leaders of US, South Korea, Saudi Arabia at G20 summit. Home Minister Amit Shah proposes extension of President's rule in Jammu and Kashmir. Today, Northeast Conclave 2019 on transforming Northeast India through science and technology, organized by Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development, gets underway. An intersectoral convergence meeting on the theme Zero Malaria Starts With Me was held today. Well, viewers, that's all we have for you in tonight's edition of the news. Until we meet you again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, have a good night.